Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to find the perimeter of the given shapes. Okay. As you already learned, the perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. The distance around the shape is known as its perimeter. To find the perimeter of a shape, you should find the sum of the length of all sides. Okay. Our question is, measure the perimeter of each of these shapes to the nearest millimeter. Measure the perimeter of each of these shapes to the nearest millimeter. Okay. This is our first question. First, you use your ruler to measure each length. Okay. ഈ ഷേപ്പിൻ്റെ പെരിമീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെയും ലെങ്ത്തിൻ്റെ സം ഓഫ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി സൈഡ്സ് ഈസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് പെരിമീറ്റർ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ഫൈൻഡ് ഈച്ച് ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ഈച്ച് സൈഡ് യൂസിങ് യുവർ റൂളർ. സ്കെയിൽ വെച്ച് ഓരോ സൈഡും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം, ലെങ്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് 1.1 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ. This is 2.8 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter and this is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, you can do this in your textbook itself. So first we have to find the length of each side. Use your ruler, scale to find the length of each side. Okay, then we will get the length in centimeter. But here we have to change each length into millimeter. Change each length into millimeter. Okay. So children, the sides are 1.1 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter. Change each centimeter into millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So to change centimeter into millimeter, you should multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. So 1.1 into 10 is equal to, first ignore the decimal. Multiplication by 10 means you can put a 0 near to the number. So 110. Okay. Then you should put the decimal one place to the left side, because in our question it is one place to the left side. So put the decimal one place to the left side. So this becomes 11.0, which is equal to 11 millimeter. 11 millimeter. Okay. Next is 2.8 centimeter, which is equal to 2.8 into 10. First ignore the decimal. Decimal illa ennu vicharichu multiply cheya. So 280. Then put the decimal one place to the left side. Nammal question il nokkanam, the one place to the left side aanu decimal. So in our answer also one place to the left side. So it is 28 millimeter. 28 millimeter. Okay. Next is 2 centimeter. 2 into 10. 20 millimeter. Again next is 2.8 centimeter. We already got this, that is 28 millimeter. Okay. So here we convert each length into millimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means length of all sides. So perimeter is equal to 11 plus 28 plus 20 plus 28. Okay. 11 plus 28 plus 20 plus 28, which is equal to 87 millimeter. Since the lengths are in millimeter, our perimeter also in millimeter. Okay. So children, first we have to find the length of each side using the scale. We will get the length in centimeter. Now you should change each length into millimeter, multiply by 10 because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then add the lengths. Okay, that is perimeter of the shape. Let me explain few more examples. This is our next question. Here length of this side is 4.7 centimeter, 1.7 centimeter. Children, here these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So children, you can write this side as 4.7 centimeter and this as 1.7 centimeter. This shape is known as a parallelogram. Parallelogram. You will learn more about this shape in higher classes. Okay. Here the two sides are equal, having same length. Okay. So you only need to measure one of them. Length same ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഒരു സൈഡ് മാത്രം മെഷർ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. These two sides are equal. So if we measure this side, we will get this also, 4.7. Similarly, these two sides are also equal. So this is 1.7 centimeter. So this side also 1.7 centimeter. Okay. So children, here we are measuring. First we are measuring this side using scale. This is 4.7 centimeter. Since these two sides are equal, we can write this also 4.7 centimeter. Similarly, find the length of this side, that is 1.7 centimeter. So this is also 1.7 centimeter. Okay. Now our next step is change this length into millimeter. Okay. Four 4.7 centimeter. As I told you, to change centimeter into millimeter, multiply by 10. Centimeter ne millimeter ആക്കാൻ 10 കൊണ്ട് multiply ചെയ്യണം. So 4.7 into 10 is equal to, first ignore the decimal. Decimal ഇല്ലാന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് multiply ചെയ്യുക. Multiplication by 10 is very easy. ആ നമ്പർ എഴുതിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ഒരു 0 ഇട്ടാൽ മതി. Okay. Then we have to put the decimal. This point is very important, children. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ഡെസിമൽ ഇല്ലാന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യും. But finally we have to put the decimal. Okay. So here 1 place to the left side. So in our answer also 1 place to the left side. So it is 47 millimeter. Next is 1.7 centimeter. So 1.7 into 10, 170. Then put the decimal 1 place to the left side. So which is equal to 17 millimeter. 17.0 means which is equal to 17. In the previous classes I told you after this decimal this 0 is valueless. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കത് എഴുതേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. Okay. Next we have to find the perimeter. Here the two lengths are equal. Two opposite lengths are equal, which is equal to 4.7 centimeter. So to find the perimeter, you have to write 47 two times and 17 two times. So 47 plus 17 plus 47 plus 17. This is the perimeter. Okay. Which is equal to 128 millimeter. This is the perimeter. So children, first measure each length using your ruler. Then you will get the length in centimeter. Then you change each length into millimeter. Multiply by 10. Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter 10 millimeter ചേരുന്നതാണ് 1 centimeter. Okay. Then you find the perimeter. Perimeter means distance around the shape. So to find the perimeter, you should add the length of each side. Okay. Children, listen this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. Children, if you have any doubt about this, please send me a message. Thank you, children.